In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a calendar in Zoom, a feature that's quite handy when managing your calendar and contact integrations. The process is straightforward, and I'm here to guide you through each step with clarity and ease. First, make sure you're logged into your Zoom account. Once you're in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen where you'll see an option labeled My Account. This section acts as your personal control center on Zoom, giving you access to all your settings and preferences. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a page that displays your account overview and other personal tools. Now, you'll want to navigate to the Profile section. This is where Zoom stores all your basic information, and it's really the starting point for all sorts of customizations. You'll find Profile on the left-hand menu. A click here opens up a page that gives you more options for altering and managing your settings. With your profile settings now visible, scroll down until you see the option labeled Calendar and Contacts Integration. This section is dedicated to connecting and synchronizing your calendars, making it easier to manage your time and appointments seamlessly through Zoom. It's a useful tool, but circumstances change, and you may find that you no longer need a particular calendar linked to your account. Once you locate Calendar and Contacts Integration, you'll notice an option to delete. Selecting this option lets you remove the integration altogether. It's important to understand that by clicking delete, you'll effectively sever the connection between your Zoom account and the calendar in question. Make sure you're certain about this step, as any scheduled events or meetings may be affected. After hitting delete, you may receive a prompt to confirm your action. This confirmation step is quite common in applications and serves as a safeguard to ensure you don't accidentally lose data or integrations you intended to keep. Read the prompt carefully to ensure you're about to do what you actually intend. If everything checks out, go ahead and confirm the deletion. And there you have it, a seamless way to delete a calendar from your Zoom setup. By following these straightforward steps, you can effectively manage your Zoom integrations and keep your account settings tidy and relevant to your needs. It helps improve your productivity by keeping unnecessary information and clutter out, letting you focus on the tasks that matter most. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide proved useful. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more how-to videos and tech tips. Happy organizing!